अच्छा जी, welcome back guys. अब हम करेंगे dynamics question 56 to question 59 in this video. This will be our last video on this topic. So let's start. Question 56. Which property of a body resists change from a state of rest or of motion? A. Density. That's wrong. B. Mass. Mass, we can consider mass because law of inertia states the tendency of a body to resist change in its motion, right? And inertia is directly proportional to mass. So the more the mass there is, the more inertia there is. And inertia is the tendency of a body to resist change in its motion. So B is the right answer. Question 57. The diagram shows a car going around a circular track at constant speed. Circular track, constant speed. Which arrow shows the direction of the resultant force on the car? अच्छा, whenever an object is moving in a circular path, ये मैंने आपको क्या बताया, मैंने कोई 12 दफा रिपीट किया है, it's subjected to centripetal force which is always towards the center as the name implies. So D is the right answer because the resultant force is always towards the center. Question 58. Each diagram shows two forces that are equal in magnitude. Wait a second. Which diagram shows two forces that are a Newton's third law pair of forces? न्यूटन्स थर्ड लॉ होने के लिए क्या दो चीजें जरूरी होती हैं कि every action must have an equal and opposite reaction and they must have the same magnitude. ये बताया हुआ है कि सेम मैग्नीट्यूड है, हमने ये देखना है कि इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट रिएक्शन किस में है एंड वी कैन ओनली सी दैट इन सी. Question 59. Two forces of 3 Newton and 4 Newton act at right angles to each other. Which diagram shows the resultant R of these forces? Resultant R. अच्छा, हमें पैरेललोग्राम वाला ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, राइट? तो देख लेते हैं. C looks like the right answer because tail से tail निकल रही है and the resultant force is going through the middle and touching the end of the parallelogram. अगर हम for example ये जो 3 है, this side is equal to this side, right? So 3 Newton. 3 Newton. Let me just. This side is also 3 Newton. If this side is 3 Newton because they are a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, right? So both of these sides are equal. And if we have to take out the resultant force, we'll have to take out the hypotenuse. और ये अगर आप देखें, this is following the head to tail method as well because the first vector's tail से निकल रहा है resultant and it's going towards the second vector's head. So that's obeying the parallelogram method and the head to tail method. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed. Allah Hafiz.